Hello everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and today I have a question. What do you do when you have scraps of paper like this that you really feel are not worth recycling and maybe they should just be thrown out? Well, if you say just to throw them out, I have news for you. These little strips of paper, even though they're small, you can still make something out of them. And I'm going to show you what, okay? All you have to do is cut them nice and straight, okay? And in the process of cutting them, you're going to be making some rectangles, okay? And you just make sure if it's wonky like this, just try to get and make them as straight as possible. And of course, strips like this, these you throw out, all right? And once you have a nice little pile of these rectangles, then what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of cardstock. It doesn't matter the size, all right? Because you can always cut it to whatever size you want. And you're going to take a glue stick or, well, I use glue stick. That's what I recommend. And you're going to take them and you're going to just glue them in whatever pattern you wish, okay? You're going to cover your entire little white piece of your white rectangle. You're going to glue these all over. All right, let me just take another little so that I could demonstrate. And then once you do that, you can take this, once you have all of these rectangles glued in, and you could attach it to a note card. And this is what I did. All of these were little bits and pieces of paper. Some of them I actually dug out of the garbage when I realized that I can still use them and make a card out of them. All right? I took my white piece of paper, I kind of trimmed it down, I glued it against the black, another larger black rectangle, glued that on my cardstock. I chose red because I figured, it could really pop. And then I attached a sentiment. And there you got it. A beautiful card. Didn't take me, I didn't have to use it, or make it rather, with art supplies and paints. There was nothing I had to draw or paint. It's just a lot of little scraps of paper that otherwise would have been thrown out. And here I have a nice little card to write a note and to send to someone. Give me a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe. And for those of you interested, I do have an Etsy shop. I'm going to leave my information down below. Why don't you join my email list, and I will be more than happy to send you a free card and a coupon code so that you can purchase cards from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye for now.